The next thing I want to talk about is what we call interrupters. So any root could respond with an array of functions. So I can wrap this in an array and you would still get the same response. But this means that whatever function I add to this array, it will run in that order. So let's think for a moment that this page should be only for authorized viewers. So we can add a function here. Let's call the function is authenticated. This is looking at our context object, and we'll get to that later. But simply saying if there is an actual user, then continue. Otherwise, if there's no user, return with this response. So it will return with the text unauthorized with the status code of 401, which is an actual HTML status code. So now we can add that to our array of functions. So as you can see here now, what's going to happen here is we're going to match this root, and the next thing it will look at the array. It will first find this function. If this function returns as true, it will go to the next function. If not, it will get stuck here and respond this because we are returning, obviously. So let's have a look at that. This is going to be a false response. There won't be a user. So if I go to here, and we'll get an actual unauthorized response. And if you look at the status code here, it's a 401. So if I change that to a 403, again, you'll see the 403 status code. So this is what we call interrupters. They are super powerful. You can really do with them what you want. You can do checks, anything that you want to check before going to let's say the home page or any other page. You can have any number of interrupters. It doesn't really matter. So as long as this one returns true, it will go to the next one. If that one returns true, it will go to the next one. And wherever it returns false, it will return whatever. Well, it will actually return if this case or this condition was matched.